Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography, founder and creator of Photographer's Freedom, giving you the time, gear and skills to be the best photographer that you can be. And in this video, I want to talk about the basics of DSLR photography. But I don't want to do the talking. I want you to ask me your questions about DSLR photography basics, because I want to know what it is that is confusing or frustrating you about DSLR photography. And I have a little gift for you for your participation, so don't go away. Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit subscribe and ding the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me. Now, as I said in this video, I want you to ask me your questions about the basics of DSLR photography. I want to know what is the one thing, or perhaps it's many things, that are stopping you from understanding that piece of electronic equipment in your hands, or how to get a decent photo out of the thing. So pop your questions in the comments section below. Anything at all that you need to ask me. Please do not ask questions about camera settings specifically, like what is the best camera settings for landscape photography? What is the best camera settings for portrait photography? Because if you've seen my video from last week, I'll link that up in the cards above. That is not the way that you're going to learn photography. It's a waste of time. And I don't want you asking those type of questions. What I want to help you with here today is understanding the basics of DSLR photography so that you don't need to ask those questions. Okay, because they are situation specific. They're relevant to only one situation, because light is always changing. And what we are doing with DSLR photography is we are capturing light. We are capturing a moment of light. And once that moment is taken, the light changes and the settings could be different. So please don't ask those sort of questions. So I'll give you some examples here of questions that you might want to ask just to get you started. For example, you might want to ask, why are my photos so blurry? You might want to ask, why are my photos so dark? Why are my photos so bright? What is aperture? I can't understand aperture, or how to use it, or the effect that it has on my photos. I can't understand ISO. What is ISO? Or ISO if you like. Anything like that are examples of questions that you may want to ask, but just ask anything, because I really just want to help you to understand your camera. So I'm here to help you. The point of this video is to help you. I want to understand what's going on in your head here, what's stopping you from understanding your camera or understanding how to use it. And I want to help you. I want you to get that buzz from pressing the playback button on your camera and seeing a beautiful, crisp, sharp photo that's just perfectly lit, and it just makes you feel so damn good. So this is what I want to help you with. So get typing, put your questions in the comments section below. Now, I have a gift for you in the description down there underneath the video. There is a PDF download that will help you understand a little bit about aperture, ISO and shutter speed. It's going to help you think about it in a little bit of a different way. It may not be the right way for you, but for some of you, it might open the doors and just put the lights on, if you know what I mean. Okay, so down there is a link to where you can download that free PDF. Thanks for watching this video today. I wish you luck with your photography. I really hope that I can help you today with this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and ding the notification bell. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.